Life insurance, your safety net for the unexpected. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's absolutely essential for your financial security: life insurance. You work hard for your money, you're responsible, you take care of your family. But have you thought about what would happen to them if something happened to you? That's where life insurance comes in. It's about making sure they're protected no matter what life throws their way. Let's get started. Protecting your family's future, how life insurance provides financial security. Let's be honest, nobody likes to think about their own mortality. It's a topic we often avoid, but it's crucial to consider. But facing the reality of our own potential absence is the first step in protecting our loved ones. It's about planning ahead for their well-being. Life insurance is about taking care of those who matter most when you're no longer there to do it yourself. It's a promise of security and support. Imagine this. The unthinkable happens. It's a scenario we hope never occurs, but preparation is key. How will your family cope financially? Will they have the means to manage without your income? Will they be able to stay in their home? The place filled with memories and comfort? Will they be able to put food on the table, keep the lights on, afford those everyday expenses that add up so quickly? These are essential questions. Life insurance can provide a financial safety net to cover those essential costs. It's a cushion against the unexpected. The death benefit from a life insurance policy can help your loved ones cover funeral expenses, which can be a significant burden during an already emotionally difficult time. It's one less worry for them, and it's not just about immediate expenses. The long-term impact is equally important. Life insurance can help your family pay off outstanding debts like mortgages, car loans, and credit card balances. It ensures they aren't left with financial burdens. It's about giving them the space to heal and rebuild without the added stress of financial instability. Peace of mind is invaluable. Life insurance can also provide ongoing income replacement, ensuring your family can maintain their standard of living even after you're gone. It's a lasting legacy of care and responsibility. Relieving the burden, using life insurance for debt repayment. Let's face it, most of us have some level of debt. It's a fact of life. But what happens to that debt when we're gone? Unfortunately, it doesn't just disappear. It often falls on the shoulders of our loved ones, adding to their emotional burden during an already difficult time. That's why using life insurance for debt repayment is so crucial. Think about your mortgage, likely one of the biggest debts you hold. With a life insurance policy, you can provide a death benefit that covers the outstanding balance, allowing your family to stay in their home without the fear of foreclosure. Imagine the relief of knowing that your spouse won't be forced to sell the family home, the place where your children grew up, because of an unexpected financial burden. Life insurance can also cover car loans, credit card balances, even student loans. By ensuring these debts are covered, you're giving your loved ones the breathing room they need to grieve, to adjust, and to rebuild their lives without the constant worry of financial obligations. Maintaining your family's lifestyle. Replacing lost income with life insurance. We work hard to provide for our families, to give them the best life possible. But what happens when our ability to earn an income is taken away unexpectedly? How will our loved ones maintain their lifestyle, cover everyday expenses, and achieve their dreams without our financial support? That's where life insurance comes in as a financial lifeline. Think about all the expenses your income covers: groceries, utilities, transportation, education, maybe even vacations. Now imagine those expenses without your income. Life insurance can provide a regular payout that replaces a portion or even all of your income, giving your family the financial stability they need to maintain their current lifestyle. It's about more than just paying the bills. It's about preserving the life you've built together. With life insurance, those plans don't have to disappear. It's about giving them the means to not just survive, but to truly thrive and embrace the future, knowing they have the financial security to do so. The priceless gift of peace of mind. How life insurance eases your worries. Let's talk about something we all crave: peace of mind. It's that elusive feeling that everything is going to be okay, no matter what happens. That feeling of security, knowing that no matter what life throws our way, we and our loved ones are protected. It's a sense of calm that allows us to live our lives without constant fear. Life insurance is about so much more than just finances. It's about providing that invaluable peace of mind. It's a promise that your family will be taken care of, even in your absence. Imagine this. You're lying in bed at night, and your mind starts to race with what-if scenarios. What if something unexpected happens? What if something happens to me? What if I'm no longer there to support my family? How will my family cope? Will they be okay? These questions can be overwhelming. These are natural concerns, but they can consume us with worry and prevent us from fully enjoying the present moment. They can rob us of our peace. Life insurance acts as a buffer against those anxieties. It provides a sense of security that allows you to let go of those worries. It's like having a safety net in place, a plan B that provides comfort and security, knowing that your loved ones will be taken care of financially should the unexpected occur. It's a safeguard for the future. Think about the relief you'd feel knowing that even if you're not there physically, your family will have the financial resources to navigate the challenges ahead. It's a comforting thought. That peace of mind is priceless, freeing you to focus on what truly matters, spending quality time with your loved ones, pursuing your passions, and living life to the fullest. It's about enjoying the present without fear of the future. Beyond personal protection life insurance for business continuity. We've talked about the importance of life insurance for protecting our families, but what about our businesses? Many business owners overlook this critical aspect. Just like our personal lives, our businesses are built on hard work, dedication, and a vision for the future. They are the result of countless hours and immense effort. But what happens to that vision if something happens to a key person within the business? The sudden loss of a key individual can jeopardize everything. Life insurance, in the form of key person insurance or buy-sell agreements, is crucial for ensuring business continuity. These tools provide a safety net. Imagine this. You're a co-founder of a successful startup. The business is thriving and the future looks bright. You and your partner have poured everything into building this business. Your combined efforts have made it what it is today, but what happens if one of you were to pass away unexpectedly? The impact would be profound. The loss would be devastating, both personally and professionally. The business could face significant challenges. Key person insurance provides a financial safety net in these situations. It helps the business navigate through tough times. It's a life insurance policy taken out by the business on the key person, with the business named as the beneficiary. This ensures the business is protected. If the key person passes away, the death benefit can be used to cover a variety of expenses, such as recruiting and training a replacement. This is crucial for continuity. Finding someone with the same skills and expertise as the key person can be costly and time-consuming. The process can be daunting. The death benefit can help cover these expenses, ensuring a smooth transition and minimizing disruption to the business. This way, the business can continue to thrive despite the loss. Leaving a legacy using life insurance for estate planning. Estate planning is often seen as something only the wealthy need to worry about. But the truth is, we all have an estate, regardless of our net worth. It's everything we own, our homes, our savings, our possessions. And just like we plan for our family's financial security during our lifetime, we should also plan for the distribution of our assets after we're gone. Life insurance can play a crucial role in estate planning, providing liquidity to cover estate taxes, ensuring our heirs receive the maximum benefit from our hard-earned assets. Imagine this. You've worked hard your entire life, building a comfortable nest egg for your family. But when you pass away, a significant portion of your assets could be lost to estate taxes, leaving your loved ones with less than you intended. Life insurance can bridge that gap. The death benefit from a life insurance policy is generally income tax-free, providing your heirs with a lump sum of money that can be used to cover estate taxes, debts, and other final expenses. This ensures that your loved ones receive the full value of your estate, not a diminished portion after taxes and fees. Beyond the payout life insurance, as a supplement to retirement savings. We often think of life insurance as a way to protect our loved ones in case of our death. But certain types of life insurance, like whole life or universal life, can also serve as a supplement to our retirement savings, providing a source of income during our golden years. Think of it as a two-for-one deal. You get the death benefit protection for your family, and you also have the potential to build cash value within the policy that you can access during your lifetime. With whole life and universal life insurance, a portion of your premium payments goes towards building cash value. This cash value grows tax-deferred, meaning you don't pay taxes on the growth until you withdraw it. As your cash value accumulates, you can borrow against it or withdraw from it to supplement your retirement income, cover unexpected expenses, or even fund your dream vacation. It's like having an extra savings account that also provides valuable life insurance protection. Secure your future today. Take the first step towards financial security. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of life insurance. Remember, it's not about you, it's about the people you love most. Don't wait another day to protect the people you cherish most. Get in touch with a financial advisor, explore your options, and find a life insurance policy that fits your needs and budget. Take control of your financial future today.